Look at this. And then look at this. Oh my god. Whoa, there's a landing gear. Mom, the plane's transparent. Hello everybody and welcome. Welcome back to another video. Where today we are back in another game. This game is called Flight Gear. And it's a game where you fly planes. Today we are going to fly a 777 KLM from Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. It's a very nice airport. You can see it is morning, and yeah, we're gonna take off pretty soon. We're gonna start up this thing, and then we're gonna take off, and it will be amazing. So yeah, and we are going to fly to our destination is Dubai Airport. And now, unfortunately, we are coming in from the north, so we're not seeing Burj Khalifa, World Island, or Palm Island. So first we'll need some electrical power. There we go, that's looking very, very nice. Then we'll do no smoking and seatbelts and that shit, and I've already done the route. We can have a look at it here. Let's do that, and yeah, here you can see my my departure from the airport, and I don't have any things in between here. We should plug in the autopilot settings, so let's do that really quickly. Alright then, so there we go, we have plugged in the autopilot settings. And then we're gonna load up our fuel and payload, so let's do maximum fuel in the wings, let's do maximum of this and a little bit of this. There we go, balance that. Alright. So now we got that working. Let's see, what more should we do? We're not ready to start the airplane up yet, are we? Maybe we are. No, we are not. Let's turn on the air condition. There we go, and the cabin pressure, we can wait with that just a little bit. And I think we're ready to start up the airplane actually. So let's turn on the APU generator on, APU bleed on. There we go, and then we'll connect to a pushback. See, it's driving in there. Yeah, this stupid thing kept on happening, apparently. Alright, there's airplanes inside of me. Pretty annoying, I know. Anyway, let's turn on the auto start, the fuel, the auto start and the fuel pumps. And then we'll disconnect the external power. And we'll disconnect the parking brake. And we'll turn my sensitivity down, because I want to... there we go. And then we'll start up one of our engines. Yeah. This is going pretty smoothly. Let's check how far we're taxiing out. So yeah, there you can see my airplane. That I started inside of. Alright, so let's brake here. The taxiing speed is like so fast. Right, flight gear developers, you really need to fix the taxiing speed. Hold on brakes, disconnect. Turn on the parking brake, like that. And then we can start up the right engine. And fuel is online. There we go. Then we can turn on the left main generator. We can turn on electrical generator, and let's turn on all of this. Yeah, the engine is starting up, that's pretty nice. Let's check the fuel. Do we have everything Yeah, we do have some fuel in here, that's nice. Let's check this one. Yeah, that's also working, that's nice. And yeah, both of our engines are running, so we can turn on the right main generator. We can turn on the bleed air like this. And we can turn off the APU bleed and APU gen and turn off the whole APU. So now we're not running that. And then we can turn on, actually no, let's not turn on window heat yet. Turn on the ADU for some reason. It's supposed to be on. Can wait with anti-ice, and let's try turn on all of these lights. Also taxi lights, they should be on. And then what we'll do is that we will perform our pre-flight check, or pre-flight surface check, whatever it's called. So let's do up, check, down, check, roll left, check, roll right, check, rudder left, check, rudder right, check. There we go. That's that's so easy to do, so I think we are ready for a taxi. But something tells me we forgot something. Yeah. Oh yeah, right. Forgot about the flaps. Knew I had forgotten something. There we go, and let's brake. Pull up parking brake. Then we'll do our pre-flight check, so let's turn off the taxi lights. Let's not turn on that yet. Let's turn... Oh, whoa, I forgot to pressurize the cabin. That could have been pretty bad. Let's not turn on window heat either. But let's arm the aura thruster and turn on the flight director. Change this thing to engines. Then we'll arm the speed brakes. Then we'll turn on landing lights and runway turn-off lights. So you think that's everything? Yeah, that's everything. Alright, let's turn off the parking brake. And then we'll taxi out onto the runway. Just hold on, there's no aircraft coming in or there. Can't see any. So yeah, I think we're clear for takeoff. So then we'll taxi out onto the runway and I will take off right away. So let's line up right now. There we go, we're slowly lining up. On runway 27, isn't it? Yeah, that's runway 27. Alright, we are lined up for runway. You push the throttle to max. I know you're not supposed to pull... I know you're not supposed to push the throttle to max on takeoff, but I just can't care less about it. Yeah, we're accelerating here. We're about to hit V1. V1, VR. There we go. And let's take off, and V2. Those were probably not calibrated, since we were very light. Let's pull up the landing gear. Oh, we are so light. Right, and let's try to pull up a lot more then. So, all the thrusters are enabled. Let's do that then, and we're about Yeah, let's do the autopilot now. Autopilot LNAV and the vertical speed. I'm at a 27 or 2500. And let's put up the flaps all the way. And yeah, we've taken off, so let's turn on anti-ice, let's turn on window heat. And then basically waiting for us to get out of the SID. Oh, I forgot to turn off the cabin lights. Good, actually, you know what? Let's turn off the runway turn-off lights right now. Look at this. And then look at this. Oh my god. Whoa, there's a landing gear. Mom, the plane's transparent. We've left the departure 5. And as soon as we line up, if the autopilot will line up, please don't fuck out. There we go, that's line up enough for me, so turn off landing lights and turn off seatbelt signs. Yeah, we're ready for our climb up to cruise altitude, or actually turn up the speed a whole notch. Turn up to 300. Alright then, so we've reached our cruise altitude. We're a little bit above it because the autopilot is correcting. So yeah, we've reached the altitude. Let's turn off the speed brakes. Or let's disarm the speed brakes.